Hi guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and I was just at our local Aldi's. Our local Aldi's had just got a remodel and it is so awesome. It is huge inside. They have extended it. Everything's totally refurbished, new. They have so many more new things out there that you can buy, especially low carb. Oh, I was so excited. I actually was in the store and I did try to do a video when I was in there, but unfortunately the way my internet was going in and out, I couldn't do that for you, so I apologize. But I do have to do this video really quick. This is part one of my meats that I've bought at Aldi's. I have to quickly show you them. If you can leave your questions till later or in the comments below if you're watching this on a replay. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and I appreciate your support. So first off, we have the steak filet mignons that I was talking about in other food hauls, where at Walmart these are $8 for two. These are $4 for two. They are our favorite. They're wrapped in bacon. They are Cattleman's Ranch tender fillet, and they have, let me see, 0 sugars and 1 carb. So that's excellent, and I did get 2 of them. So that's awesome. Also, I love anything that is marinated. Now, usually with keto, we do our own marinades, which is awesome. If you've got time to do your own marinades, I would suggest you do it. Aldi's have something new in it. This is sun-dried tomato and basil seasoned chicken. And I thought, oh, I'm going to pick this up. There's like 2 or 3 chicken breasts for $4.79. So I grabbed these. Here it is. And this has 4 carbs minus 1, fiber is 3, and it has 2 sugars. So I'm really looking forward to that because we love our chicken. The next meat that I'm going to show you is Italian style seasoned chicken, and it's also Aldi's brand. This was $5.57, and it's got like 3 chicken breasts in it, and the carbs on it is 4 carbs with 1 fiber, which is 3, and 2 sugars. So this here, excellent for people who are on the go, who can't do their own marinade, who don't have time with the kids and work and everything. Really quick and easy to prepare. Put it under the grill, bake it in the oven, whatever's the quickest, like the grill or the barbecue, because I'm from Australia, so I have to use Australian terms. My husband and I have been eating these long before we were keto or low carb, and we love their fresh, sweet Italian turkey sausage, and it's actually like 71% less fat, but it does have that in it. So these are excellent, and I'm trying to get them upright. These are excellent for to eat on keto. And they have 2 carbs and 0 sugars. So they are 2 carbs per link, per sausage. Next, we have, let me see, sorry. We have country style pork ribs. Now, don't we all love these? You can put your own kind of pork rub on it, or any kind of pork seasoning, or any seasoning or marinade that you like, and you can just slap these on the barbecue or the grill or in the oven, however you like to cook them. These were $3 one, and they're country style pork ribs. There we go. And you do always have to look for the carbohydrates in meat as well. This has 19 protein, but no carbs and no sugars, and the total fat in that is 12 grams of fat. Now, I have showed you how to make these yourself because they are rather quite expensive if you buy them in the store. For 2 of them, they are $1.50. They are the mozzarella cheese sticks, and they are wrapped in salami. They call them a panino tray. Well, usually you only get one, but at Aldi's they have 3 in a whole tray. The tray is huge. It has, I'll just read the label to you. It has 1 packet of hard salami wrapped mozzarella cheese. It has 1 tray of prosciutto wrapped mozzarella cheese, and it has 1 tray of pepperoni wrapped mozzarella cheese. And here it is. And isn't it big? Now, that was $11, about $11, and it has 1 carbohydrates, 1 sugar, that's for 2 sticks, so you could eat 2 sticks, and it has 7 grams of saturated fats, and so, yeah, you can get your fats in by snacking on these. And like I said, you can make your own if you've got time, and it's really easy. All you do is just get mozzarella, cheese sticks, any brand that you like. Some people like Sargentos, other people like off-brands, like at Food Line or Walmart or whatever. And any kind of cheese that you like. It doesn't have to be mozzarella. It can be any kind of cheese, just as long as it's non-nitrate and all of that. And with your meats as well, it works out a lot cheaper. But like, this was a deal. If you're at Aldi's and you've got an Aldi store and you've got a little bit more cash to spend on your groceries, go ahead and get these, because they are excellent for work, excellent for school. I mean, what kid doesn't like mozzarella sticks with salami? And us adults, we love prosciutto and mozzarella sticks, don't we? And prosciutto is such an expensive meat to buy as well. This is like really fancy. And if you like to, these are great for party ideas as well, appetizers, just quick snacks to get in your fat. These are just like, I can't tell you how great these are. I'm really happy with it. So that is it for the fresh side of things. I have another video coming to you live soon. It's going to be with some other awesome buys from Aldi's. And like I said, I'm really sorry that I couldn't bring you in the store, but it was kind of like really hectic. So let me make sure that I got everything out that I was going to show you. Yep, I did buy, and I will be putting this in maybe the next post. I did buy Kerry Gold Butter, and it was $2.45 at Walmart. It's like $3. Let's see, I might have it in my bag down here. It's normally like $3.45, but for one of these gold, it was $2.45. So if you've got an Aldi's, go to Aldi's right now, because they are so cheap. I got 3 of those because I haven't really been having my bulletproof coffee, because I need my Kerry Gold. I mean, it's the best butter ever. And also, I ended up getting, I do have some other fresh things in here. I have brie cheese. I love brie cheese. Like, my mum can tell you, I used to eat so much brie cheese when I was at her place. And so we have brie cheese and those Panero sticks, or whatever they're called. And I also got this Swiss almond cheese spread. So that would be awesome on those biscuit recipe that I posted a few days ago. They were like, you know, the cheddar biscuits or whatever. That would be awesome to spread on that, and with avocado. And oh my gosh, I have to tell you, if you love avocado, you have to go to Aldi's at the moment in America. In America, they're like 39 cents. Woo! I mean, isn't that just amazing compared to like $4 or $3.50 in Australia? I've got to go kind of eat something now because I've been omitted fasting, which is one meal a day. I did have those biscuits with some little sausage link patties on it. So, and I'm still feeling hungry. I can hear my belly rumble. So I'm going to go and get something. Sorry, I cut out there. So I'm just going, that was the end of the video for the meats. I will be back as soon as I can to show you all my other awesome buys. So keep an eye on my next food haul from Aldi's. Take care, guys. Keto on. Bye.